Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to be microwaving a 9-volt battery, which, to my knowledge, has never been done before. I mean, I've done batteries, I've done things with batteries in them, but I've never done a 9-volt battery. This will either be really cool or it'll really suck like the whiteout bottle did. And once again, I'll be doing this in Joyce, the rival microwave. Okay, open her up like so. Battery in like so. I'm thinking 9 minutes should be enough. Now let's get microwaving. Well, that sucked. There's no way around it. That was a really shitty experiment. Really shitty results. Battery's hot. Didn't do very much. 2 lackluster results in a row. Wow. I thought this would be a lot cooler than a regular battery, but it wasn't. I'm gonna have to declare this a shitty idea, and I think Joyce is about ready to be retired because I did the CD test and she didn't do very good in it.